Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Echo Spot. This is the ocean blue color. Man, it looks really nice. We've got volume buttons on the top. We can turn the microphone on and off so it won't listen for our wake word. And here's the microphone right here. So this is the speaker. There's a display. We do have to have it powered up all the time. It comes with a 15-watt charger and the cable is 5 feet long. So let's plug it in. Now, as it stands right here, it's about 4.5 inches tall. Left to right, it's about 4.5 inches. Front to back, because it is at an angle, is about 4 inches. So it's very simple. You just simply plug it in the back. Make sure you push that in all the way. And again, there is a rubber here that kind of help it grip. Now, if you open up your app, there may be a QR code that you have to scan here, or it could just find it whenever you open up the app and it'll finish the setup. Now the outlet sticks out about 1.5 inches, and it's about 2 3/4 tall and about 1.5 inches wide. And again, the cord is 5 feet long. That is a very clear display. Wow, does that look nice? And it is a touch display. I can swipe down. Now if you swipe down, you can go into settings. I can change the display. This is the display brightness. Wow, this just looks, and again, I can speak to it and use the wake word, and it'll treat it just like anything else. I can ask it anything, it'll play music. This is a really nice Echo Spot. I really like it. It makes a great clock.
2 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has clouds with a chance of showers.
That's a really cool display. And again, I can control the volume. And then I can also mute it. So I can turn it off so that if I say the wake word, it won't do anything. It's not listening anymore. It turns the microphones off. And it will constantly display that red bar and that little X up here. So, and again, this is just a really, really cool display. So you can do alarms and timers. You can do hands-free calling. So it doesn't have video. There is no camera, but you can talk through it and you can hear the other person through it. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.